Okay, so today we're going to be solving equations of models using substitution. There are three steps that we're going to use. Step one is we're going to look at the model, and from the model we will write the equation. Step two, we're going to go ahead and substitute our value in. And then step three, we're going to solve and check. And so I like to call this our whisk. We'll whisk right through solving these equations from the models using substitution, because you can write the equation, substitute, solve, and check, which is whisk. So we have a model here that is already written for us, and let's say we have answer choices for our model that give us suggestions for what x could be. Like we could have answer choice x is equal to 3, x is equal to -3, x is equal to 4, and x is equal to -4. And we need to know by substitution which one of these values is really equal to x in order to make this equation true. So step one, in order to whisk right through this, we're going to write the equation from the model. We see that we have 3x plus 4, because those single units are positive, is equal to 2x. So we've written our equation based on the model. Now over here we have answer choices that we can choose from in order to determine which one of these would make this equation true. So I'm going to choose x is equal to 4. So I wrote the equation. Now I'm going to substitute 4 in for x. So wherever I see an x, that's now going to become a 4. So 3x now is 4 plus 4 is equal to 2 times 4. And then I'm going to solve and check to see if 4 will make the equation true. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 4 is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8. And so on this side, 12 plus 4 is 16. Does that equal 8? It does not. So I know that x does not equal 4. So now I'd like to try another one of our answer choices. I think I'm going to try -4. All right, so if I put -4 in for x, and then with the substitution and then solve that, let's see what we get when we check it. So 3 times a -4 is a -12, plus 4 is equal to 2 times a -4, which is a -8. So -12 plus 4 is a -8, and that is equal to a -8. So -4 is the answer for x in our substitution. So let's quickly recap. We whisk through this question in solving equations of models using substitution. We wrote the equation, we substituted answer choices in for x, then we solved and checked to see if that particular answer choice made the statement true.